Toyota Hilux Third Generation, N30, N40, 1978. The redesigned Hilux was introduced in August 1978, with a 4WD variant introduced in January 1979. The newer model was of similar dimensions to its predecessor, but both front and rear tracks were wider. Another change was the front suspension was changed from coil springs to a torsion bar design, still with a double wishbone layout. The 4WD variant, not offered with any engines smaller than the 2-liter 18R, featured some common technology with the larger Toyota Land Cruiser. Its front axle was a live, leaf-sprung design unlike the more car-like type used on rear-wheel drive Hiluxes. Production of the four-wheel drive models stopped in July 1983, but some 2WD variations continued production in parallel with the next generation models. The L-Series diesel engine was offered on the 2WD variants from September 1979 and also on the 4WD variants beginning in March 1983. In Japan, the Hilux was joined with the all-new Toyota Master Ace, sharing load-carrying duties, which was sold at Toyota store locations alongside the Hilux. The Australian market originally received the 1.6-liter 12R engine in rear-wheel drive models, while 4WD models have the 2-liter 18RC engine with 63 kilowatts, 86 PS. These were all built on the longer wheelbase, with either pickup or cab chassis bodywork. Top speed of the Australian Hilux 4WD was 130 km per hour, 81 miles per hour. In North American markets, the Hilux, known as the pickup, saw the use of four-wheel drive. It had a solid front axle and leaf suspension. The body saw a redesign that included single round headlights and a less complex body. This new 4WD setup featured a gear-driven RF1A transfer case. This transfer case is unique in that its slow range reduction portion can be replicated, using what some refer to as a dual or triple transfer case. This results in a much lower overall gear ratio. It was the first Hilux available with an automatic transmission in that market. In 1981, a vehicle development agreement was established between Toyota, Winnebago Industries and two other aftermarket customizers. This was to allow Toyota to enter the SUV market in North America. The vehicles which resulted from this collaboration were the Trekker, Winnebago, Wolverine, and the Trailblazer, Griffith. All three used the Hilux 44RV cabin chassis, and an all-fiberglass rear section. The Trailblazer had a steel bed with a fiberglass top. Research and development work on the Trekker led to the development of the 4Runner/Hilux Surf, which was introduced in 1984. Toward the end of the SR5's production run, 1983 model year, Toyota introduced the luxury Mojave trim for the US market as a limited production, 3,500 units, model with options not available on any other Toyota pickup. With a list price of $8,308, it had bucket seats, 2-speaker multiplex radio, chrome front and rear bumpers, and deleted Toyota logos on either the grille or the tailgate. Cruise control, power steering, and air conditioning were optional. It was powered by the SR5's standard 2.4 liters, 150 cubic inches, inline-4 engine. In Thailand, this model was sold as the Toyota Hilux Superstar.